Brendan. I figured I'd give you another video of it. I think you called right halfway through the last one. But anyways, everybody keeps asking me what this goofy taped up thing is over here. That's our fuel pressure gauge. And I can see, you know, make sure that the fuel pressure isn't dropping up in the higher RPM under load. And it'll tell us, you know, make sure the fuel pump is adequate. Especially with the bigger injectors, it's holding really nice and steady. And Thanos is riding along. I had to throw a bunch of towels and blankets and everything in here to make it a little quieter and softer for him since there's no interior. But come up. This thing is a lot of fun to drive. I'm not gonna lie. I really want to get one of these ones now. Yeah, air fuel curves are looking nice, and it's still programming. It should clean up while you're coasting along and everything. I didn't want to skimp on the fuel injectors being as your elevation. You know, you're gonna need a little extra fuel from what we're getting up here. It'll trim up over the next couple of days of driving. Nobody's behind me, so I'm going to start in from second and give it a good run. Bronco is this monster in here. She gets up and boogies. Even with the E7 heads and the smaller of the RV cams we like to run, this is very impressive. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of fun. So I'm in fourth gear right now. The gearing is really nice with this size tire. You could go a little bit bigger and slow you down a little bit, but these things have enough grunt to just keep pushing through. Yeah, your speedometer actually worked for the first, like 2 miles or so. And then it started getting all jittery and wobbly, and then it just, you know, like it just gave it up, let it go. So you're probably gonna, well, very well could be in the dash. I'm kind of thinking it is in the instrument cluster. But what we'll do is, I'm gonna go straight through this here. Hopefully nobody turns right as I'm about to get on it, but we'll take it up this on-ramp here. I think I'm in there. Nope. Get over one. Yeah, I am getting a little bit of that wheel wobbliness with those bearings and everything, and that's why the alignment, we were having a kind of fighting it back and forth. It was looking good, and then it was looking out. Yeah, this is definitely a head turner, especially with the pipes we did on it. It sounds pretty mean. Thanos, sit. 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 Come on. Stay. I think I also need to tighten up those V-band clamps since they've gotten, you know, they've heat cycled quite a few times. Grab's really nice. So one thing about this is, get on the on-ramps, you have to slow down. after dinner.